Well, hello, everyone. I'm Tammy Clinton, Executive National Vice President and Independent Consultant with Arbonne. I'm so excited to welcome you to today's message, where I'm going to bring you a topic that has really made a difference in my own business, but certainly in businesses across Arbonne. And the topic today is how to explode your healthy living business. Before I jump in, I want to share just a little bit about myself. I have been with Arbonne for over 15 years. I started Arbonne fresh off of coming out of corporate. I was an executive HR director for a very large company, and that company sold, and over 850 people lost their jobs. And I was actually the one that shared the news with each and every one of them that they no longer had a job. And don't you think, though, in life and circumstances that come our way, we always learn something from those different moments. And it was then that I learned the value of a plan B and the value of creating your own future. And so whenever Arbonne found me, it took me a little bit to figure out that that's exactly what I was looking for. But once I did, I could see that the journey of Arbonne would take me to places that nothing else could. I doubt that I could ever work to make the average income of 22 to 25,000 at the very top level of Arbonne. That's what you make. And there wasn't anything I could have done to have actually created that type of financial security for my family. No place, I don't think, would have given me a white Mercedes. And certainly, I know for a fact that many choices that I had in a profession or a career choice would have never brought me into time freedom on top of having that lucrative income. So I am so excited that I have been on this journey for 15 years. It's taught me so much, and there's so much to learn even at this point. But today I'm super excited to bring to you a topic that I feel hopefully will really help you in a lot of ways with your business and the different there's so many different ways in our business that we can work it and different angles and all of that. And the healthy living is really one of those that I just really want to spend time and hang out with you on, so that you can kind of see for yourself some different points about our healthy living products with Arbonne that totally makes the biggest difference. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's some facts about our healthy living. Most everyone is looking for a way to live a healthier lifestyle. They're looking for ways to have more energy, better sleep, and even to look better. And we have to come to grips that we have exactly what they need. The health and wellness industry is definitely a multi-million-dollar industry, and is only 1/3 of the products in our catalog. The product line is really a gateway to open our clients into becoming Arbonne households using all of the Arbonne products. I like to say, Arbonize yourself, Arbonize your home, Arbonize your family. The healthy living products are products people use day in and day out. And do you know, does people around you, do they know that you have that to offer them? A one-stop shop for all of their healthy living? From personal care products, from shampoo, conditioners, to hand creams, to cosmetics, to the protein shakes. We've got everything. And the main thing is to look at our business as a one-stop shop, kind of like a Amazon for healthy living, if you will. We need to, at all times, market our business, and this will help our business to explode. Just being out in the public today, I was asked, hey, are you doing like a cleanse or something? Because I had my Arbonne in a cup, and it opened up a conversation that I could share Arbonne with them. So anytime you're running errands, carry your Arbonne logo cups, wear your Arbonne t-shirt or a hat, or have a fizz on you. Be living your healthy living every day so others can see you and you can be an example. You actually are a billboard for marketing your brand and your amazing business. So take advantage of that. One of the things that I've noticed whenever I am sharing the healthy living with a mama is that that mama typically has the ability to just kind of transfer it to the whole family. So basically, if I can share with her the benefits of urbanizing her home, I've now shared it with 5 people, whoever she represents in the family, a family of 5, a family of 7. If I can get the mama to see the benefits and the health side to Arbonne, then I've potentially affected 5 to 7 people, whoever's in the home, which is always a real purpose and a mission for me. We are an example to those people around us that we love, our kids, our husbands, your parents, whoever it is. So live it every day. Let them see you live it so they want to as well. So let's get into the nitty gritty and talk about the 5 key points to growing your healthy living business. So step number 1, or point number 1 that I want to make, is commit to doing the 30-day program yourself. For those getting started or even seasoned consultants, you do not have to be an expert or have a medical background about the 30 days. You just need to let the experience teach you. So many of the things that I've gathered in the way of knowledge and the ability to talk and walk with such confidence with the Arbonne products is because I have lived it. So commit to doing a round of the 30 days so you can see how it does for you. You build your own story, your own testimony, so that you can share that freely to others around you. And once you complete that 30 days, then you're going to be able to share that experience, the testimonials, with just integrity. When you complete that 30 days, this makes you authentic. We're on a mission for health, and we want the whole world to know it. And by you building your personal testimony and results, this will market your business better than anything else. And before and after pictures, they speak volumes. So make sure that you remember those. We've got to also remember always that the healthy living products are just a gateway to the other 325 products that Arbonne has. And also, one of the key things is to know about the auto ship program that Arbonne has. Get on board with that so that you don't lose any products, or not lose products, but you don't have any interruptions, I guess is the right word. You don't have any interruptions to your daily use of Arbonne when you're on auto ship, because you'll never have the fear of running out. There are so many rewards of auto ship. It's very convenient. You want to do it, and you want to teach others to do it as well. Your key point number 2 is to find 5. And this is a rule that I teach my team, is find 5 people that want to join you in the 30 days to healthy living. Every person you sign up with for a 30-day kit, ask them if they have 5 people that they care about, and they're going to say yes. But when you ask that question, you're able to find out who you need to share the health benefits with for the 30 days, because they might want to join their friend or their family member. Repeat this every month, and what you're going to be doing is targeting 5 people every month for the 30 days, but it's going to build up your clientele, your preferred client platform. It's also going to allow you to have people coming in that are potential consultants as well. If you and your team have a Facebook Healthy Living group, use it as an incentive to get them started. Always know the next date of the next group that's starting, if y'all have some type of kind of system to that. Know that, because you can use that definitely as an incentive. So key point number 3 is to create community. And I think most people love community. They love accountability. They love community. One thing I like to do is I love to put all of my healthy living clients on a text group. Now you might use Voxer, whatever it is. And I love to go through the 30 days with them, reaching out and building a relationship with them. I use the Hit 'em Up app because it personalizes the text. But I add clients to the Healthy Living group, and then this is a place where for our team, we have daily posts, encouragement, and it helps me to put them in a place where they get the community. If your team doesn't have that, you need to develop it. Develop a system for your own healthy living business. Create a group and then start those daily encouragements and so forth. It's your job to coach them. They're trusting you for that. Your goal is to build relationships throughout that entire 30 days. The goal is always to get business partners, right? So that comes through those relationships that you're building and so forth. I coach my 30-day clients based off of this Healthy Living Client Tracker, and you can find this on The Source. It tells you exactly, I mean, it's just A through Z. It tells you exactly what to do on the first reach out. It says week 1, and then it says, you know, day 1, day 3, day 5, 8, 13, 15, 16, 27, 22, 29, 30, 31. It tells you exactly what to share with them and how to touch, you know, make a touch to them, and what to share in that process of the 30 days. I love this tracker and I use it all the time. So I build my text around that and coach my clients through that. So here's our key point number 4. You want to be really consistent with your healthy living events. Conduct once a month, you know, healthy living workshops in your home, or choose to do one at a gym or a fitness class, or maybe choose to do healthy happy hours regularly. Choose maybe to go to a grocery store that you can do a healthy living workshop. Facebook Lives or stories, and you know, healthy living Zooms. You add your healthy living workshops to whatever you're really interested in life. So maybe you're interested in yoga. Maybe you can add some events around yoga. These are just some ideas, but certainly you can come up with your own. The main key point with all of this is just to be consistent, really. That's our key point. And then our last point is number 5, and that's searching for business partners. As your clients are finishing their 30 days with you and they're showing progress, they've built up a lot of belief in Arbonne as a company. They've built up belief in Arbonne with the products. They've built belief up with Arbonne because of you. Encourage them to become a consultant because they are already recommending the program and products to family and friends, and share the income opportunities with them again. Even if you had done that in the beginning of the 30 days of them going through the healthy living for the 30-day program, do it again. Share the income again. Ask them to hop on a take a look call or some type of Discover Arbonne that's scheduled, or do one yourself. Do a coffee date. Ask them for 5 people they care about so that you can share the 30 days with. A lot of this can be a little bit of a repeat, sharing, asking. But notice that as you're going through the journey, there's opportunities that you need to take advantage of and ask again, just in case something's changed in their belief system or in their response from friends and family, all of them. Tell them that since they've gone through the 30 days, it's going to be easy for them to coach and support others who actually participate in the program. Here's a big tip. If you have someone who says that they cannot afford the 30-day ASVP, just encourage them to find 3 friends to purchase a 30-day fit kit and explain how they can get theirs for $90 through the Host Rewards program. That is the best deal for them, those that can't afford to buy it themselves, and it allows you to network their network and to possibly get into some new clients and new potential business partners as well. Guys, this is the part that I love. This is the mind-blowing multiplication factor to all of what I've just shared with you tonight. And that is the big question. If you do this, where does this get you in your business? So let's just do some math, okay? So if you have 10 people who buy a Healthy Living Fit Kit, a nutritional ASVP, $3,100. If you have 20, that's $6,200. 30 people, $9,300. 40 people buying that is $12,400. You're in qual for area manager. And then your pay also multiplies out. 10 people doing it, $465 paycheck. $20 or 20 people doing it is $930. 30 people doing it is $1,395. You get a comma in your paycheck. 40 people buying the nutrition ASVP is $1,860. Guys, you can see the math is math, and it multiplies, it multiplies, it multiplies the more people you share it with. But I want to break it down even further. So in that top line where it says 10 people buying the nutrition ASVP, hold on, I hope you're setting down. That really could just be 2 people that you've shared the 30 days with, and they've each found 5 people. You found 2, they found 5 each. There's your 10. So think about it and break it down and see the magic behind it. This pay that I'm talking about on the screen here doesn't even include your bonus pay or your override pay. That's just straight out your ASVP amounts. So just to recap, how to explode your healthy living business. Key point number 1, commit to doing the 30 days yourself. Key point number 2, invite 5 people to join you. Teach others to do the same. Key point number 3, create community and coach them. Key point number 4, create consistency in your business for it. Make time for it. Do some workshops. And key point number 5 is search for business partners as you're going through the 30 days. I hope that this has been helpful to all of you. Thank you so much for joining me. When you choose health, you're choosing Arbonne. So let's go and stand on a platform on a mission for health to share it with as many people as we possibly can. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, and I hope that this has been helpful.